Okay, so an update about my childhood Commodore 64. So before, when I turned it on, it was a black screen, and that test didn't do anything. So I removed the kernel ROMs, and basically then it entered the dead test. And right, still nothing, still a black screen. And when I put the ROMs in, now I actually do get a blue screen, but without the blinking cursor. And I use the diagnostic test, and the diagnostic test basically now tells me that it's the U1 and U2, which are the CIAs, U1, U2, and potentially this little guy, which is a U18. So I will try to now desolder the CIA, but yes, my childhood Commodore shows signs of life and is almost working. So yes, now to the CIAs. There, I fixed my old Commodore 64. So this is my childhood Commodore 64. I replaced the U1, and I needed to add some contact cleaner for the VIC, and I replaced and socketed the CIA, replaced and socketed the RAM, and also put new kernel ROMs. And turned out that this guy didn't need replacement, but I will still check the diagnostic. And I got a real SID. So my childhood Commodore 64 back in the game. And this is the desoldered old CIA, which was 16th week of 1990, and this is 49th week of 89. So this is the older chip that's in here now. And I managed to desolder this one nicely, except this ground pin. This was impossible to get out without actually breaking it. So that's the CIA that was not functioning anymore. But now I have my Commodore back. Woohoo!